Hey guys, so what I'm going to do today is drain as much of the DEF fluid as I can out of this reservoir and then fill it with some new peak out of the jug. I like to use the jugs. I know there's a lot of conversations about which is better to use, the jug type or the ones off the pump. As far as cleanliness, I don't think there's any question about it. The jugs are better. The only question that some people would want to argue is, well, it's fresher if you get it out of the pump. But you can check your box, use that reverse Julian method. I've got links and stuff I'm going to put in here where I did a little bit more thorough overview of doing this back when. So I just wanted to do it today, and I figured, well, I'm going to film it while I'm doing it. You know, one thing I was noticing under here that's kind of interesting, though, is we've had a lot of crazy weather here lately in Louisiana, like we always do. And, you know, it gets cold, it gets hot, it gets cold, it gets hot. And everything starts sweating around here, the concrete and everything else. But if you look at this, you probably can't see it, but there's a sweat line right here, which I'm pretty sure is my level. It's cold right here. It's warmer right here. And that's my DEF level. Just kind of a little curious thing I noticed. I've got my truck partially jacked up with this sorry ass Northern Freight. It's a good jack, it's just not heavy duty enough. Got a review on that one too. And I don't think it's gonna fall on me. If it does, it ain't gonna go nowhere, and it can't hurt me unless it hits me in the butt. Then I may get a concussion. But other than that, we'll be fine. And of course, I've got some lint-free rags. Be sure you use some lint-free rags on this. Don't take a chance on using anything else. Lint-free rags, whatever the hell that is. In my case, it's an old t-shirt. So, it's a very simple thing to do. And I think it's worthwhile because it may save you some DEF problems. I'm going to show you that chart also. And there's you know, once this stuff gets hot, it starts to go bad pretty quick. And you talk to the dealers and other people, and they'll tell you this is the most problematic issue with these Rams is the DEF pumps and DEF fluid. So I'm just taking a little precaution here. Now, I got to work around this camera, which is going to be difficult, but I'm going to do it anyway. I got my Let me get my hose. Got my siphon hose here. Same one I used last time, only it's a little shorter. And it's a very simple thing to do. All you gotta do is just get this clip off of here. And I'm gonna see if I can get my arm in here where you can see me release it. You kinda gotta squeeze these two green things in and then twist it. And that's what I'm doing. There we go. That's a little stubborn, but it comes right off. And then just move it over to the side like that. And hopefully you saw that. Okay, hose. Then just slip this in the tank. Forget about trying to siphon this out from the top. Believe me, I've tried. Ain't gonna happen. I'm just going into my old cement pan here. You can go in anything you want to. You got a siphon going. You can't see it, but it's going. We'll see. I don't know. I might have a gallon, 2 gallons in here. Looks good though. It's clear. It's gonna be about it. And no, you're not gonna get it all. I understand that. You do leave some in there. But what's better? Getting a little bit out or none? Okay, we're gonna call that good enough. Take that lint-free rag so you don't make a big mess here. And then we're just gonna, I don't think I got much out of it, to tell you the truth. Let's see what we look like. Well, we got a little bit, maybe a gallon. It was down real low, so you know, it's not gonna be a whole lot coming out, but I wanted to get as much as I could just to get a fresh start on it. And you know, dumping the other one in will dilute it, so you got that working for you. There you go. That's it. I like crawling up under my truck and looking around. Sometimes when I can't sleep at night, I'll come out here and just crawl around, look around. It's kind of the way I roll. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. It's that simple. It's pretty much even with that middle frame on your running board. If you got a running board, that's where you kind of got to set up. And like I said, I just jacked up a little bit just to give me a little more working room. You don't really need to. The last time I did it, I didn't even jack it up, but I got this high dollar jack. I figure I ought to go ahead and use it. So now what I'm going to do is just dump some DEF in it and call it a day. And I'm not going to put you through that agony of watching me do that. Besides, I'll probably spill it all over the place. So thanks for watching my video, guys, and until next time, adios.